In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Users and Accounts. Then hit Google on the left and tap on Google Password Manager. Now click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!